So it looks like we've got a new generation of Frangipani Hornworm feasting on the leaves, and these ones are actually going after the young leaves. I'll show you the older generation. So this one here is it's roughly about 5 inches now. It's nearing its time where it's going to leave, try and find a dark place and turn into a moth. That's the back side of it. And I'd let them remain on the tree. Well, some of them I've removed quite a few because the leaves had started to have rust spots on it and it just spreads. So I thought, well, okay, you lot eat that and then we'll start again with the new leaves. The rust spots that you get on there, it's on the underside of the leaves, and I've looked for possible remedies, but what it says is that you just to remove the affected leaves, but the whole tree now is all the leaves are covered. So what happens is these will all drop off, remove all, and then I'll clear up all the leaves, and then the next lot that come out are beautiful, really nice and green. So I was just like, this time round, yeah, okay, well, you lot can eat as much as you want. This is all you can eat buffet, and they will. The only thing is that occasionally, if you don't keep them in check, they will destroy the tree over time. Because as you can see, these young ones are going for the very young leaves and the tips. And we've got a couple up there. And yeah, they eventually eat down. Like, look at this one here. They'll eat down so far they destroy the limbs, and eventually over time, I mean, they seem to come back to this tree. It's just like this is their favourite restaurant. And but you can see some young leaves up there, the older ones down at the bottom. So I'm going to encourage the young Frangipani hornworm to eat these and not the new shoots. And how are you going to do that, you say to yourself? I will move them from where they are and put them on a leaf, one of the older leaves, and they'll just munch on that. So yes, that's the cycle. Got some more small ones. You can see some of my other videos where I go into a bit more about the hornworm. You'll see the tree at different stages where I've shared what they eat, and they often eat the flowers as well. So they'll come and eat the shoots, the flowers as they are emerging. So yeah, you do have to keep them in check. But the beautiful smell on the flowers have a beautiful smell, and it's definitely worth, having a Frangipani tree if you've got a space. And even if you don't have a space, you can grow it in a pot. So when you see a lot of these plants, you can have them on a smaller scale. Think bonsai. You don't have to have them that small, but you can maintain it and manage it. Let me show you my smaller Frangipani tree. So here's a smaller one that I took the cut in. They grow really easy. So if you were thinking of trying to grow one, you just need to take a cut in. And even if I didn't put this in soil, sometimes when I've just got too much of the branches that I'm cutting back, I just put them, say, in the hedge there, and they will last quite a few months flowering. The flowers are a lot smaller, but they will kind of last a few months as if they'd just been planted in the ground. So all I did was, take a cut in, put this directly in the ground, and it's found its happy space. Again, this one's been affected by these brown spots and things like that. So what you have to do is, when you notice the first one, to cut them off and dispose of them. Don't put them in your compost. But yeah, this one, and if you restrict its growth, so like if you're putting it in a pot, it will stay small. Your flowers may be smaller, but you will have a nice plant. So that's, yeah, Frangipani. And they come in so many beautiful colours. My one have the white flowers. They're very sweet, sweet smell. There's I've seen so many other different colours. If you take a look online, you will see, you know, red, yellow. I've even seen a blue one, and they're highly scented. So, but yeah, I've yet to get a cut-in from one of those trees, but I would love to have the ones with the bright colours. Okay, so I just thought I would share that with you.